Got BearFlagMoto over there working on his new Dyna boy. What'd you pick up, man?
A wrench.
Nice.
2001 Dyna FXD.
FXD.
Not the DX. It's not the Sport. It is straight up super glide.
But it's a slick bike, though.
It is.
It's got
18,000 miles.
18,000 miles. The blonde motor. What motor's in this?
88.
88 cubic inch. What, 5-speed?
Oh, yeah. Lovely. Lovely 5-speed.
Kind of got it torn down a little bit, but where'd you pick the bike up at?
Temecula, California.
Temecula.
All the way from Las Vegas. Only took about 4.5 hours to get there. Picked the bike up, rolled with my homeboy, stopped and got lunch, and then took about 6.5, 7 hours to get back home.
Gotta love Cali traffic.
I love that kind of traffic. And picking the week of New Year's Eve to make that trip.
Yeah, that was a good choice.
Probably not the best idea.
But you got some plans for the bike. What are you thinking?
Maybe club style it out just a little bit. Roll some 12-inch T-bars.
Yep.
It's already got intake. Rebuilt carburetor. Just needs a few cosmetic things and maybe some stiffened up suspension.
Yeah, the intake is actually really nice, and when you pulled it off, the carb looked really good. So
nice and clean. I mean, once the cosmetics are done, pretty well ready to cruise.
Hell yeah. It's got an exhaust on it. I mean, I don't know what brand it is or anything, but it actually sounded really good.
Sounds good, just don't look good. I mean, if
you're gonna change that though.
If you're into the grandpa look, you know.
The grandpa glide.
The grandpa glide.
Hell yeah.
When I started making my list, I called it the Dyna boy. So
Dyna boy.
This will be affectionately known from here on out as the Dyna boy.
I love it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, no, a little bit of loving, but what you're thinking about doing bars, shocks, and a seat at first?
Definitely needs a seat.
Yeah.
The seat's going to be number one. She's got a couple little love marks in it.
Yeah, the original seat, I mean, it doesn't look terrible on the bike, but it's a little beat up.
Yeah, it's just got some little heat vinyl cracks in there.
Yeah, some imperfections.
Slap on that Saddleman cuz.
Yes.
Make it a real stunt bike.
Real Dyna boy. But I love I also have the 01 Dyna. Mine's the DX, but I don't know. I love the look of this bike. And, well, you're going to do a lay-down plate back here. You already took that off. And it's got the integrated taillight already, which is sweet.
Would be cruiser, man. A nice one.
Sweet. Well,
coming to a Craigslist near you.
We'll keep everyone updated on upgrades, but it's got a good start on it so far. Sweet. Thanks, dude.
Hell yeah. Thanks.